I dropped my bang. This is a towel, but it's brand new and I don't want to use it to wipe stuff up. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today's video is brought to you by FabFitFun, one of my most favorite subscriptions. And it's not an advent calendar. Can you guys believe it? I think this is my first non-advent calendar unboxing in like out of 3 months. I'm not even quite sure if I know how to do a regular unboxing anymore. Each product I'm gonna be like day number 1. If you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a customizable seasonal subscription that comes with full-size beauty, fashion, what kind of counting is that? Beauty, fashion, fitness, and home items once per season. And what's so cool about this is you can get one thing inside of this box that costs more than the entire box itself does, which I think is pretty nifty. Love me a bargain, love me a deal. Plus, love me some cake. Look how cute this little box is, all the cake slices on it. And on top of that, if you guys want even more of a deal, you can save 20% off your first FabFitFun box. And you use my code AR20, your first box will only be $47.99 and have a value of up to $300. So let's go ahead and get on into the spring 2022 box here. I am very excited. I always forget what I pick out. Like, the boxes are customizable, but I always forget what I picked, so it's still a surprise. So I am very excited to see what I picked for myself. Oh, Rans, I'm so sorry. He's giving me that look like, I can't believe you. Both of us are covered up, by the way, because it's very chilly in here. But anyway, let's go ahead and get on into this box. I think the thing I got super excited about, I'm gonna save for last, but let's go ahead and look at this. It looks like we have a little item of jewelry here from Vince Camuto. Did I know that they made jewelry? I'm not sure if I knew that they made jewelry. But anyway, it comes in a nice like little drawstring soft baggie here. Ooh, and it's gold. That's always exciting. Oh, I do remember this. See, like, it sparks, you know, as soon as I see something, I'm like, oh yeah, that's a thing that happened. That's why I have to take pictures of everything, because if I didn't take a picture of it and I can't go back and look at it, it probably didn't happen, right? But this, I do remember picking out now. It's definitely something a little bit different than I typically would wear. It is gold. I do really like gold jewelry. But it has these cute little gems here and like a gradient of blue. And I standardly don't wear a lot of blue. I don't know. It was just different. And I thought it would be kind of pretty for spring. Oh, that's cute. I can't get it off. I think I definitely just swallowed that plastic. Sure, it's not the first time. Are you kidding me? I'm just trying to show you guys this cute little gem on the end of it here, but I actually can't get this plastic off. Oh heavens. Okay, there we go. So at the end of the chain, there's just like a little disc with a gem on it, and then it says Vince Camuto on the back. This has a nice weight to it actually. Like, it feels pretty good quality. Okay, yeah, that is definitely very different for me, but I don't know. I actually kind of like it. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. I don't really know what I'm going to wear it with necessarily just yet, because I don't really wear a lot of blues and stuff. But maybe with like a light kind of springy like white top or something. Anyway, I don't know. I think it's cute. All right, next up in here we have something from Summer and Rose. This does look very nice and summery. I like a nice orange. I really do. I think orange is a very pretty color. Oh my. Okay. Well. Oh wow. Okay. I dropped my bang. This is a towel, but it's brand new and I don't want to use it to wipe stuff up. No! And yes, unfortunately, that little white fuzz does stay in my hair this entire video. I hope you guys are not like me and you can actually take your eyes off of it, because I couldn't while I was editing this entire video. And I probably shouldn't be pointing it out, but I feel like it had to be addressed. It'll be fine. I don't want to use my brand new giant round towel to wipe up the bang energy off the floor. I'll get it when I'm done filming. Anywho, next up in here we have a quite large round towel, which is pretty fun. This is called the Roundy Towel, very, you know, apt name for it. It is also 57 inches diameter. What's the other one? Radius? Diameter's all the way around, right? And like radius is like to the middle point. Is that anywhere near correct? Probably not. But anyway, it is a fairly large towel. It is quite thin though, so it definitely can be like folded up pretty small and put into like a beach bag or something. It's soft, it's cute, it's round, it's a little bit different. I like it. I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, okay, also, while I'm at the beach, really got that wrapped up, don't look at this cutie patootie little backpack. But this isn't just like a regular backpack, this is a cooler backpack. So I can put all my snacks and drinks in it while I'm at the beach. And I guess you don't have to like wait till you're going to the beach to put your snacks and drinks in it. You can take it hiking or on a picnic or just, you know, anywhere that you feel that you need snacks and drinks. You know, like a movie theater or something. You know what I'm saying? A movie theater snacks and drinks are pretty expensive. You can slide a couple of bottles of cola and some... Why are cheese sticks the only thing coming to mind? I can't think of another snack that you need to keep cool besides, like, you know, peel apart mozzarella sticks. But anyway, whatever you feel like keeping cool, you can keep cool inside of this little guy. I think it's a nice size as well, like it's not too giant. But the inside of it, you can see there it has like the plasticky lining and it's insulated. This is from the brand June and Shine. I really do like the color, and again, I think it is a nice size and would be very handy and convenient. Oh, this is heavy. I wonder what this is. This is very heavy. What the heck? Next in here, we have something from the brand Katie and Kime. I'm not 100% sure exactly how that is pronounced. Oh yes, okay, I'm actually really excited about these. These are berry colanders, and we have been eating a lot of berries at the house recently. Raspberries were on sale the other day for like really cheap, so I bought 6 containers. Ooh, okay, so these are super cute. They look like containers that produce would come in. You get those kind of like papery ones, but these are ceramic. You have 2 different shades of blue and 2 different sizes. I think these are super cute. They're very like heavy. They feel really nice quality, nice like heavy weight. And of course they do have holes in the bottom because they are colanders, so you can wash off your berries in here and then have the water drain out. And I'm sure you can just like leave your berries hanging out in here as well and like just put them back in the fridge and we just cover the tops. Today I put my green onions in a glass with a little bit of water and put them back into the fridge, and I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so fancy. I don't honestly know if that's what you're supposed to do with green onions, but I thought it might help them from wilting. And as I was feeling real fancy about myself, I recalled the TikTok lady that like decorates the inside of her fridge. Have you guys seen this? She literally, it's decorated. She'll have like fresh flowers. I saw a video where she had a framed picture of her cat inside of her fridge. I don't think I'll ever be on that level, but I can definitely put some berries inside of these little colanders and like, you know, make it look kind of cute in there. For some reason. I don't know why you would need to do that, but you know, just whatever floats your boat. Oh, this is super cute. Okay, next up in here, we have a little product that actually matches the outside of the box. The little cake slices are adorable. This is from NCLA Beauty. It is an overnight lip mask and it's in the like scent or the taste birthday cake, which is very exciting. I would love to taste the birthday cake all night long. It just comes in a very cute pale purple little tub. Definitely I'm gonna give this a sniff and then probably like a little bit of a taste too, just to see what it smells like and tastes like. Oh, it's purple. Wow. Oh, okay, right off the bat, it doesn't really necessarily smell exactly like birthday cake, but it does smell very bakery. Like instead of a very sweet like vanilla-y frosting scent, it smells more like the actual like cake. You know what I mean? Like the actual baked product, the dough. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells like a candle. It smells like a good candle. Oh, it's liquidy. Oh, that's very liquidy. Okay, unfortunately it doesn't really have that taste. I was hoping it would taste, you know, like baked goods, but not really. It's very liquidy. Like as soon as it makes contact with any warmth from your skin, it starts to melt. Ooh, very shiny. It does give your lips like a really nice glossy look to them. I am a little bit sad that it doesn't have that kind of birthday cake taste or that like bakery scent taste to it. Like I said, it smells really good. It just doesn't really have that taste to it. However, it does feel like there is some type of like skincare product on my lip. It doesn't necessarily feel like a gloss or like a balm. It feels like a skincare product, like it's gonna absorb into my skin, you know? This stool, after all these years, just now decided to start squeaking. It's gonna have to go. I can't handle a squeaky chair. And I assume it feels like a skincare product because, you know, that's probably what it is. It has castor seed oil, shea butter, mango seed butter, and vitamin E in it, so there's a lot of like really skin nourishing ingredients in there. It says Beauty Sleep is a lip quenching sleep mask that lavishes the lips all night long. It's light, hydrating, and non-greasy, and then it has all those ingredients in there, and you're supposed to wake up with like much softer lips, which I personally would love. My lips do get incredibly dry, especially at nighttime. Like if I do not have like a chapstick or like an Aquaphor within arm's reach at nighttime, I can't go to sleep. I literally can't go to sleep. Unlike some young men in this room, Ren can sleep anytime, anywhere, any place. Lip balm or no lip balm. Alright, and then finally, the last item inside of the box, the one that I got super excited about when we first opened it, we have something here from Commodity, and this is the Commodity Gold. This is one of my favorite fragrances, and I was so excited to see this as one of the customization options. I just love it. This is Commodity Gold Expressive, and if I'm not mistaken, there are like 3 different levels of each scent from Commodity. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and look it up because there's a fair chance I'm gonna get it wrong. Okay, yes, so there are 3 different like levels of these perfumes. There's personal, expressive, and bold. This one is expressive, which I think is like the standard. And from what I'm gathering from this, it's like what you want your scent space to be. So personal is like basically just for you. I don't think it's gonna be very strong. Then expressive, it says that it is for you and those around you. And then bold, I guess is just this, but like more, so it's a bit more of a stronger scent. I'm not really 100% sure if that's exactly what they're going for with this, but I do like that there are different levels of this perfume. I think the only one that I've ever had had is the Expressive, so I'm not really sure what the other ones smell like, but I love this perfume, so I'm very excited. Yeah, so basically, like if you guys can see it down there, it's kind of explaining the different scent spaces with some dots. So you're like the little center dot right there, and then it tells you basically like how many people are gonna be able to smell you based on what perfume that you're wearing. I think that's interesting, a little bit unique. I'm not sure if any other perfumes do that. I can't get in. I like the packaging as well. It's simple, minimalistic, kind of sleek looking. What I personally love about this is just the strong scent of vanilla. I think there's other scents in there, like maybe amber and sandalwood, but I personally love vanilla scent, and I feel like this is just like a super strong vanilla. Oh. Scratched myself earlier, that burns a little. I just really enjoy this perfume. I think I got my first bottle of it maybe like last year for Christmas, and it's just one of my favorites. I really like it. So yeah, that is quite exciting. I was so happy that that was a choice. All right, you guys, and that is everything for the spring 2022 FabFitFun box. I personally thought this was a good box. I like the range of products in there. I like that I was able to pick some stuff that I was super excited about. Because I get so many subscriptions and advent calendars that are just very like skincare heavy and makeup based, I wanted to go for some more stuff that wasn't really that. So that's why I ended up picking like the backpack and the towel and little berry things, because I wanted to have just more like, you know, diversity, more of like a range of products inside of this box. But there are also other options for customization. But yeah, I like this box. I would love to know what you guys thought about it. Do you get FabFitFun? Do you not? Have you been thinking about it? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. And again, if you guys would like to try out FabFitFun, be sure to use my code AR20 for 20% off your first box, making it just $47.99. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! I'm sorry he was snoring through like half of this video. I gotta get this boy in bed. Unfortunately, I'm very untired since, you know, I've been drinking liquid, whatever that is. Super creatine.